Hello, we are here at the 49th annual Denver OktoberFest. It is September 22nd, 2018. I'm Joseph, I'm here with my friend Kristoff, and we are going to see what we can find and explore this place and hopefully have a good time and have some good beers. And yeah, hoorah, hoorah.
Please tell me. So when you buy a sign, you get it.
I don't know, I was thinking of doing the 4 tickets for 20 bucks thing. So I got my Stein and my tickets. I'm gonna go fill it up. So now we got it filled up. We got the Spartan Lager. Not bad. Let us go explore more. That looks amazing.
You want a lot of sauerkraut?
Yes, please. If I can see my camera here.
Make it myself the cloud, it's really good.
And being at Oktoberfest, the first thing I have to get, of course, German sausage with sauerkraut.
Danke.
And I just spilled it all over myself and all over my lap. It'll smell like sauerkraut all day, but I guess that's fine. And what did you get?
I got a German brat with garlic and chive sauce.
That looks good.
I can drink plenty and not get drunk as shit like a Okay, well, let's see if you like this one. This is our Cabernet 2000.
Gonna sign up for State Farm to get a tattoo?
Well, let's see what that you sign up for.
True. He just wants some sugar.
Although I'm curious what that is. Why the only chance I'll ever get to have an actual shoe. This is it. The one with the peach. There you go.
Gonna get, thank you. Gonna get something less sugar and more fruit. That's pretty good. So we got here right after it opened and there was no line, so we walked up and got beer easily, but now there's a line. So we're gonna have to wait to refill. And 12 to 2 is happy hour, so instead of paying 2 tickets for 1 Stein fill, I paid 1 ticket for 1 Stein fill. And I got the 49th annual Oktoberfest Lager, so let's see how that is. Not bad. It's actually really good. I actually like this one better than the other one. How are you enjoying your beer?
I haven't tried it yet.
Is it the cider?
No, this is a super fizz.
This beer sucks.
You don't like it? How would you describe it?
Like putting an orange peel in your mouth. Painfully bitter and painfully orange.
Ooh. You want to trade? Here, try this. Is that better or worse?
They're both kind of terrible. Just past the place.
Hello, we are. And he literally just walked off way the hell over here. Like, where the hell? Wow. He's feeling it. If you want to do it, go for it. We have 1 ticket left.
Yeah.
What do you win if you get it?
More tickets.
Oh. That's just what you need.
Get a cider and have a good drink.
Well, if you want to, I'll drink that. I'll drink that and this and get you a cider.
Oh, I'd rather bowl.
Huh?
Jeff from Iowa over here, buddy.
Not the best.
Right on. Thanks for playing.
I'm still covered in sauerkraut. And Kristoff is going to go do the keg bowl.
And we got another participant here. What's your name?
Was it fun?
It was cool. That hurt like hell though.
Well, as long as it's fun, that's what counts. And it gets much more busier the more the day goes on, so come early. We got here just after 11 when it opened, and it's quite busy now. I never thought I would come across this without specifically looking for it, but this is like my one and only chance to try something that I have been wanting to try for a long time that I've heard is spicy yet good. And I got my rattlesnake. Got my rattlesnake. It's good. I wouldn't say it's unique, but it's good. So, yeah.